Hi everyone, I'm Aiden Durham with 180 Law Co. in Denver, Colorado, and you're watching All Up in Your Business. In this episode of All Up in Your Business, we're going to talk about the differences between a word mark and a design mark. If you've applied for a trademark or if you're thinking about applying for a trademark, you may have come across the words word mark or design mark or standard character mark, and you may be thinking, what does all this mean? What the heck's the difference? Thankfully, the answer is pretty easy. A word mark or a standard character mark, they mean the same thing. Those apply to just trademarks that are just text. So there's no kind of design element to it. It's just plain standard characters. So this is going to apply to trademarks for a business name, a product name, a slogan, or a motto. Anything that is just plain words, plain standard characters is going to be a word mark or a standard character mark. A design mark, on the other hand, is a trademark that has some kind of stylization to it or has some kind of a design element. So this is going to apply to things like logos or stylized text. So if you have your business name, but your logo is the name in some fancy script or some stylized font, then that is a design mark because you're registering it with the design elements as a part of the trademark. So if you're looking to register a trademark for just your business name or a slogan or just some words, then that's going to be a standard character mark or a word mark, versus if you're trying to register a trademark for your logo or some other design element of your brand, that's going to be a design mark. If you're interested in registering a trademark for your business, I encourage you to check out the link in the description below to learn more about Brand Bombshell, which is my all-inclusive trademark registration package. It includes everything from start to finish to take your brand from blah to bomb. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future episodes of All Up in Your Business and you don't miss out on all the fun. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Aiden Durham, and I'll see you next time.